Hello and welcome at this Bitcoin technical analysis video. I hope you're having a good day, traders. So I decided every single day when I finish my trading, I will try to do short video or long video, and sometimes it's gonna be public, sometimes not, where I can summarize my trading, because when you finish your trading, you have really fresh, you remember your trades still, yes. So it's good to go over it like why it's hot. So let's go over Bitcoin. So in our Discord, I'm in an Asia session at the moment, but I'm moving to London and New York from tomorrow. So today I was not sleeping over 24 hours, so pretty tired. Also I will do charting tomorrow when I wake up fresh, because I was just trading today. So we were dropping, after I was posting. We had like really nice range during the weekend, but I was not trading it because it was just non-eventful. But I was posting with the move down, we are just recting most of the longs from the weekend range and also from the Friday. Yes, open interest massive decrease, so that was really nice, big spike of volume. Yes, and I said stock market, I'm scalping this region down to 16,000. I said it around here. As we are dropping, it means I will be looking for some nice longs. Yes, I want to scalp it to the upside. I'm not gonna short here because what is my reward ratio, like where I put stop loss? Yeah, like here? No, of course I will be looking for some nice scalp longs first. So on the Discord I said I will be scalping here as we are running main liquidity. Yeah, we run main liquidity. I will show you the reasons. Local range on bounce is expected, that's what happened, and plus we have big supports below 16,000. Also stock market doing medium swing failure pattern, which was another scalp on Bitcoin for me. So that was pretty much key here, because in the Bitcoin stop in the middle, I would not say it's not middle of the nowhere, but in front of strong levels. And also it was market structure, because we got really fast reclaim into it. But if you watch stock market, you know how correlated they are. Again, they are finally locked back. And this was this swing failure pattern where Bitcoin find the bottom. When you see that stock market was continuing to the downside, Bitcoin was just going sideways, right? So, but this was the main reason for me to enter on scalp and day trade. You can see what happened after. Like, these things are pretty straightforward. So you can still see I have some nice limits to the downside, but when I go sleep, I will pull most of them. I will just keep 2 of them in the strongest area with nice stop loss, and of course I will use alerts below, because I don't want to miss the main support area. So we dropped stock market, its swing failure pattern. I will tell you a few more reasons why we bounced here, because we had another reasons as well. You see this move up was really nice. This was like first scalp for me. Yes, but day trader also entered. You change market structure, taking now these structures here. And now when you change market structure, what you are doing, you are looking to see if you hold pullback. That's what happened. You are holding all the zone even twice. I was scalping these moves here as well. You had chance to add to your position for scalper, or you could open new position, because some people are not so good at catching things, like when they before they change the market structure. So that could be a lot more safer entry. And now, so I already had 2 trades here. Now daily VWAP was main take profit area for me for this scalp. Scalp was closed, switching to short here into the market structure again, switching to long, closing short. Yeah, that was like just scalp short. Day trader was still happy. By the way, day trader take profit was here. Yes, I had more expectation, and I'm still holding day trader for larger move, and that's what is happening at the moment. Because I said I expect range or bounce, and that's it. Local market structure still holding. So, and let's look what was happening further. What other tools you could utilize on trading this? So TRDR was giving you helping hand as well. We see massive open interest decrease, and we see big liquidations here, which is always helpful to us to establish good lows or highs. So very nice. And now we have supporting bands, so order books are pretty nice looking at the moment. Look at the ratio, beautiful. Okay, let's go to order books. And order books, they are signaling us very clearly first of all support in the area, or maybe it will be so scary for the market to go down, we will just range here and bounce further. But this is great to see. Yes, this is our support area, so you always want to see order books populated in the support area, and this is really big walls, so we can actually range here for longer, and when we will go down there, you should better have alerts. That's so important. Also, our member was posting this 16k. Yeah, it's not just Binance, 16,000 is protected on all of the exchanges. There is beautiful walls there, so so very nice for the as a confluence. And now when we go to the chart, you can also see, let me turn off this, for example, for me was pretty key on small time frame. When we run this liquidity, because so you can see what happened here, we were going sideways for 3 days, and with the move open interest like massive decrease down, all the longs from here were stopped out, and thanks to hyblock we can see that a lot of people were stopped out here. Yes, let's run this. The only downside is we still have this massive liquidation out, which is stretching down to 15,900. So when you have any positions right now, stop loss is behind the low, because this move can now stretch for the liquidity. Yes, and then you can re-enter when you will be bouncing from after liquidity grab. Yes, or after you bounce from stronger supports below. But you don't need white stop loss here, because it's gonna be, if you lose this low, we will very likely run this liquidity pretty fast. Yeah, so it's gonna be important to watch it and trade live. So liquidity was also run from the weekend, and you can see for me it was important. We quickly reclaimed and started trading back to the market structure. Yeah, because if you continue to the downside, then next market structure support is here, and we are waiting for this market structure for a long time. Oops. Because this market structure is still naked, is still untested, with a lot of support in this area. So this is very, very much awaited market structure for us. Okay, let's turn off this. And you see, when we go to Exo, we are ranging, it's like really long range at the moment. It's almost 2 weeks, and you see Bitcoin was really unable to, this was like magnet, yeah, in this high volume node. We are just playing around. So yes, the other scenario happened, because you should build support here or resistance, yeah, and the second scenario happened. There was no magic here, and that was the thing. As people were trading this range here, we said it before, there will be this was inefficiency area, fair value gap with low volume node, so there is no support here for you. I was posting that a long time ago, I can say. Yes, you see, this is Cloud Castle, which is no volume, so no real support here. Bitcoin only find real support when we arrive to the volume nodes. So if you don't create swing failure pattern here, that's why you need to patiently wait for the another area of another confluence. That's it. For the upside, this is now still massive resistance with anchor VWAP, especially the orange one. So if you have day trade, I will definitely look to take profit on day trade here. We'll set some automatic take profit. And for the downside, we are still awaiting the super strong area. Yes, where we have market structure, golden zone. It's VWAL, yes, of our range, naked daily, key level, and big order blocks. The 4-hour order block is very important, and the 1 hour is fine as well, and high volume node. So this area, big opportunity area. Scalp is almost like 90% chance scalp will happen, and this also area where you try to build day trade. Yes, you already have a chance from this area, but This is the main day trade area. And after, we will see what's gonna happen after. That's gonna be very important. What will happen after? How much further we bounce and what levels we reclaim. What is important to say? This low is not strong. Yes, and now we build huge liquidity below these two lows. So in the end, they can be challenged after this trade from this area. So you'll be watching that. So I think that's it from me. Just wanted to do a quick update. So tomorrow charts will be updated, and I will be in better time zone. Right now I'm in with vampires, so not good. I wish everyone very good trading today, and see you in the group. Bye bye.